This is probably the most painful die there is. If it drops on the floor, remember to pick it up before someone hurts themselves really bad. Hi, and welcome to this channel where we are serious about the unserious. And in this channel we care for the geeky and playful parts of life. And we focus on the ones who not only consume but also create geek culture in one form or another. If you are a self-defining geek passionate about creating, this is the place for you. I'm Jon Back and I've been studying playful design for well over 10 years. And I even got so far as getting my PhD in the subject. Over the coming week we will look at dice and randomness. One die per episode, one episode per day. So click on the subscribe button and click that little bell icon, that way you don't miss anything. This is the four-sided die, or the D4. It is a tetrahedron, and that means it's got 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. It's one of the 5 platonic solids. That means all angles and all sides are identical. And according to Plato, it was related to the element of fire. Probably because it's kind of pointy and hurts. And yes, it really does hurt to step on them. And that pointy end is a trouble in more than one way. Because it's got no natural top. There's a point going upwards. So there's no natural place to put the numbers. Therefore, there are 2 other ways of doing it. The most common way is putting it by the bottom edge, but it can also be put by the top edge. So if it lands like this means 1. And if it would land like this, it would mean 3. The other way to mark it is to mark it here, along the top edge instead. And this 3, of course, is on all sides. And I always been thinking you could use an 8-sided die instead, and then just double up the numbers. And to be honest, I have no idea why that didn't happen. But maybe it's quite good that you have one die that looks like this, and another die that looks like this. And that way you can recognize them much more easily. To get to know more about different kinds of dice and randomness, there's a playlist over here with all the episodes. And if you like this and would like to help out, then become one of the creative geeks by subscribing and leaving a comment and sharing this video with a friend. It really does make a difference and I really appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, you can always share it with an enemy.